everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you aren't subscribed yet, subscribe right now please. It would help me so much. Thank you guys for being here. Today I am going to be doing something a little bit different. I am doing a Vampy lip and a super simple eye look. You don't need a bunch with the dark lip. That's what I love about a dark lip, especially when you're in a hurry, and if you have two kids, you're always in a hurry. So definitely something to keep in mind when you're doing a dark lip. Simple eyes, just pop on a lash, dark lip, and you're ready to go. If you guys want to see how to achieve this look, please make sure you guys keep on watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment down below. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. How has everybody been? Good? I hope good. This quarantine has been taking a toll on everybody, I think, and we're back to square one. So just hang in there, hope for the best, drink a glass of wine, cup of coffee in the morning. That's what gets my day going and gets my day ending. That's how I do it. I have two kids. There's people out there that have more. So hang in there. It'll get better. So today I'm going to be going in with a dark lip. I have been wanting to do a dark lip for a little while now, so I was like, screw it, we'll do it today. I have the time to film today. I've been making the time. Today I am here for you guys all. We are going to my dad's house after this, so I have to hurry up kind of. So a dark lip. I have a few options too. They all look the same to some people, but they're all different, I think. So these are the three. Two of them are from Stila. Actually, I think all three are from Stila. And then I have one more that's like a super dark plum that's kind of almost black. I wanted to use that one, but I can't. I've missed you guys. I'm so glad to be back. I'm kind of getting back in the mojo of things. Don't mind my hair. This is like you gotta hurry up and film a video and got a little bit of time, so let's get started. Ole Henriksen eye cream. Still missing two, guys. Alexa, if you're watching this video, I need my nails done, girl. Just with this whole quarantine thing, I have not wanted to go out. Okay, that was a lot. I haven't been wanting to go out. Oh, messed with my contact. Oh no. Hang in there, contact. You guys seen this? Shit that I do. Be back. Short commercial break. Yesterday was my contacts, now today again, so I don't know what's been going on with my eyes. I think it's these contacts. I got new contacts and my eyes are not having it. I especially like moisturizing before I apply makeup, and that's because I am very dry, and applying all those powders and stuff to your face can only make you look drier. So, and don't forget to wet your beauty blender because I just forgot to wet it. For primer today, we are going to be going in with the Laura Mercier foundation primer. I love how this feels on my face, and I actually got this one at TJ Maxx. Did I get this one at yeah, I got this one at TJ Maxx, and I actually got two Smashbox ones at TJ Maxx too, so make sure you guys are checking, because sometimes I find really good deals on products that I already own. I find them on in the makeup section. Like I had bought this bronzer at Sephora when it first came out, and I found it at TJ Maxx for, I mean, like, I don't know, I can't remember how much I found it, but I know it's cheaper than Sephora. So make sure you guys are checking out TJ Maxx in their beauty section as well. I love going there for the house things. Home Goods is like, I need to stay away from Home Goods. Home Goods be taking all my money. Gosh. And then Home Goods, Marshalls, TJ Maxx, even Ross, it's like one of those stores that when you see it, you have to get it because you won't find it again. And if you're like me, I suffer from anxiety over things. So if I see something and I don't get it, as soon as I get home, I regret not getting it. So always make sure you grab it. You can always return it. That's wise advice from a Home Goods shopper. I was literally stuck on Home Goods for a minute. Like I was going to different Home Goods, different stuff, especially after this whole like quarantine thing got lifted. I know that me and my mother-in-law were heavy at Home Goods. Like we busting missions for Home Goods. I'm actually gonna be going in with You're So Jelly from Too Faced. It's actually a highlighter, a like jelly highlighter, but I'm gonna be applying that under my foundation just to give me like a little bit of a glow. Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Foundation. I am in the shade 145. Going in with my Born This Way concealer. The kids, do you guys hear that's beeping? I need to change the batteries. Good. Like makeup is one of those things that you really have to trust makeup is one of those things that you really have to trust the process on, because you look super crazy before you look good. I'm gonna go in with my KKW stick, which is all beat up by the way. I like that one to contour my nose a little bit more, just because it's a little bit on the grayer tones, I guess, than the orangey. And I really like that for the news area. Going in with my Huda Beauty setting powder. And then just lightly with the brush patting the nose contour just so it doesn't go anywhere. Now for bronzer, today I'm going to be going in with one of my all-time favorites. You guys probably have seen this in a million videos. My MAC Deep Bronzer. I love this thing. It just gives you like an all-over bronzy look. Summery. Going in on that double chin. Time for my, so we're going to be going in with my Benefit Ultra Brow Defining Brow Pencil. You know what's the thing about YouTube or doing videos? You kind of have to get used to looking at the camera versus the monitor. Because I have my monitor right under the camera. Like the camera's like right there. And you guys are right here. So when I'm looking here, you guys are looking at the bottom of my eyes. But I have to remember to look at the camera. I always forget. Just because this little, this screen is so big that it's hard not to look at it. You cannot skip this step. My hairs be crazy. Audio Jungle. First, and then bring it in. And then just blend it out with the previous brush. Just do that. Color, put that all over the lash line. And same to the other side. Brush off, and I'm just gonna kind of smudge it out a little bit. Now I'm just gonna go in and curl my lashes. This is a super easy makeup look that really anybody can do. Benefit Dandelion, and I love this because it's such a like subtle blush. Going in with my Too Faced Bananas brightening powder just to brighten up that area a little bit. For lower lash line, I'm going to be going back in with the Dusty Rose color, just applying that on the outer part of it, and then a little bit of Rustic, the brown shade we, and then some lower lash line mascara. Now for lashes, I'm going to be going in with the House of Lashes Sephora collection, the style. And since I don't want to have you guys waiting, I am going to pop these lashes on. So now that my lashes are on, okay, since I am in between these three lipsticks, I am going to be swatching all three and seeing which one I go for. I think I'm going to go for the darkest shade, which is She Auntie. It's this dark plum right there. Mud lip liner from my school. You guys know I went to makeup school in plum lip liner. But since my camera's dying, I'm just going to use this one. Okay. This lipstick is She Auntie from Stila. It's like so old. I've had this for a while now. Alright guys, so this is the finished makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys like it. Alright guys, so this is the finished makeup look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I have to hurry because my camera is dying, and I really hope you guys give this video a thumbs up if you guys did enjoy it. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. It would help me out so much, and I hope you guys turn on your bell notification to be notified every time I do post a video. Comment down below any other video ideas that you guys may have, and also I hope that you guys share this with family and friends, and I hope to see you guys on the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.